Hey, Kevin Wilson here. Listen, today what I'm going to cover is a song by the Canton Spirituals called the Mississippi Po Boy. Most people say poor boy, but it's actually Po, P-O, boy. And it's one of the most popular songs that the Cantons do. And I've been honored to be able to work with those guys. And Harvey is one of my great friends. And every time I get a chance to work with them, I love playing this particular song, okay? The song is actually starts out on a B13 chord, but the song is actually in the key of E minor, okay? The chord, the B flat 13 chord, the B flat 13 chord is fingered like this. See that? So what I have my thumb on the E string on the 6th fret, okay? Then on the D string, the 3rd string down, 1, 2, 3, I have the 6th fret right there, okay? And then on the G string, I'm actually on the 7th fret, and then the 8th fret on the B string, and then on the 8th fret again on the E string. I'm playing that there. Here we go. So we have which makes up the 13, the B flat 13 chord. So it starts out with that one. Then it goes a half step down, back, I should say, going back to the A13 chord. Okay, it's the same fingering, but a step back, starting with the E string on the 5th fret. Then on the 5th fret on the D string, we have that's a G right there. And then we'll play on the G string right there on the 6th fret. Okay, so we got, then we go over to the 7th fret on the B string, which is the 5th string down from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're playing that B string on the 7th fret. Then we're going down to the 7th fret on the E string. And I'm covering both of those strings with my ring finger. Okay, so we have, so that's the A13 chord. So we're going B flat 13, A13. Then it jumps a whole step. The same chord shifts a whole step back again to a G13. Okay? Same fingering, but it's just in a different position where you're starting on the 3rd fret, right there, and then drop down on your D string, which is the 3rd string down. Okay? Right there. Then on your G string, you're going to the 4th fret, right? Okay? And then on the 5th fret, you are playing your B string, which is the 5th string down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the 5th fret again, on the E string, which is an A. So you have the 13, the G13. Okay, so far we have. Okay, then it jumps back a whole step. Okay, then we go to, oh, excuse me, here we go. This is a B7 sharp 9 chord. Okay, I'm starting out with my middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. Then I'm playing the 1st fret on the D string. Okay, 1st fret D string. Then on the 2nd fret on the G string, I'm right there. See that? 2nd fret on the G. 1, 2, 3, 4th string down. Then I'm playing on the B string, the 3rd fret. See that? And that's going to make up my B7 sharp 9. And then the last chord that he plays is actually a E minor 7, but it's different the way he's phrasing it because he's playing it like with the open E. See that? And what's happening here is he's playing an open E, okay, your first string. Then he's going down to the A string where he's playing a B right there, okay? Then he's going to his third string, right? And that's on the 4th fret, which is an F sharp, okay? So you got right there so far. And then what's happening is he's playing an open G, which is your 4th string. 1, 2, 3, 4. So he has so far. See that? And then on his 5th string, he's playing that D. Okay? So far we have. Okay, it's kind of hard to see the way I'm fingering it, but this is what we have. And then the last note is an open E. So if you listen to the song, you'll hear him go. Okay, and that's that chord to open up the song. Then the song actually moves to the E minor, okay, that minor 7. Then it goes to a A minor. Okay, so what you're doing is you're going to the 5th fret, and you're barring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are barring the A string, the 1st string, then dropping down, or you can actually play it open because it's the same. Okay, but I like to bar it. And you barring the 4 strings across on the 5th fret. See, right there? Starting on that D string right there, the G string and B string, we are barring that. So we're barring from the D on the 5th fret, going down to the G string and barring that, and barring the B string that's making our minor chord. And what he'll do is he'll go, okay, he'll play like that. And he's going to the 8th fret on his B string and then coming back. So, right? Okay. Then we're going to the C. We're going to a C chord. Okay. Which is, you can play that on the 3rd, starting on the 3rd fret. Or you can finger it differently like this. That's like a C9, okay? But a C chord will work. Okay, and then going to a B minor 7. B minor 7, okay? Like that. Let me play it cleanly. B minor 7, and then back to the E minor. Or, right? Like the first chord that we did when we went to the 1, which is the E minor. Okay. So, and then they go to a line. He plays a little line that goes like. So he's playing A on the 7th fret, okay, and then this is on the 3rd string. 1, 2, 3 on your D string, and and then he's playing a D on his 7th fret, and he's playing them together. And then he goes a whole step up. He's striking it twice. Then he goes up a whole step until he goes to the B and the E. So, okay. So the beginning of the song. There we go. That B flat 13, A 13, excuse me. G13. That's that B7 flat 9, sharp 9, I'm sorry, sharp 9, B7 sharp 9, and then that and basically that is the chords and the introduction to the Mississippi Poor Boy. Stay tuned. I'm going to cover more of the song, go through some of the licks that he's playing. But thank you for joining me, and we'll see you again next time.